So
I cannot go there, see?
How do you get it to automatically find where you are? Like, I'm in that.
So if you want to find out exactly where you are, you're just going to use the tiny little arrow that we have in the bottom there. And when you tap on that, it's going to locate exactly where you are. So it's letting me know, yes, I am in Metrotown.
Yep, got it.
If you want to search anything, we can use the search bar just along the top. We can type in whatever we want, or use the little blue button here for a bookmark. So the bookmark is going to be different locations that we may have entered in very recently, or even just the current location. So let's just go to current location. Now say, maybe I wanted directions to somewhere. I'm going to be going down to the Pacific Center Apple Store. Sorry about that. After the workshop here. So I want directions on how to get down there. So I can go ahead and just tap in here and I'll type in Pacific Center Apple Store. Now once I tap it in there, I can hit search and it will go ahead and do the search for me. It has found the Apple Store location downtown. So if I would like to kind of get directions to it, I can go ahead and just tap right on the blue arrow that's kind of appeared there at the location. Now it's going to bring up some more information for me. So I've now got their phone number, I have their website, I have their exact location as well. So if I would like to get directions to there, I can use the very nicely labeled directions to here button. When I tap on that, it's going to take me into my kind of directions tab. So I'm going to say my start is going to be the current location, so it's going to go right from where I am right now. And this is going to be my end location, Pacific Center, the Apple Store. The three icons along the top will allow you to choose whether it's you personally driving in your own car, if you're going to be taking public transit to get to that location, or if you're going to be walking there. And it is really, really accurate too. One of the things I like about the public transit, if I go route here, I'm just going to tap up at the top. When it gives me that route, what I can do, this little clock that I have here, say it says I arrive at 2:26, but I actually want to arrive by, I want to make sure I'm going to be there just before 4 o'clock. I can tap right on the little clock here and click on depart at. I'm going to change that to arrive by.
Did you have to type in your current location?
So if you're looking...
No, you type in where you want to go.
Yeah, so you can type in where you want to go up at the top, or you can jump past that and go right to directions there. But if you go and type in where you want to go there, then you can tap on that location and go directions to there.
How did you pull up that area you had before?
Okay, so to pull up that area here...
Because I'm trying to find it on the iPad. Right there.
So on yours, it's just going to be that tiny little clock there.
So public transit only does the clock.
Yeah, so it is just public transit there.
And the other ones don't do anything.
The other ones will tell you how long it is, so they're kind of leaving it in your hands to kind of get yourself out of your own house whenever you do need to be there, right?
That's cool, though.
So if I want to be there just before 4 o'clock, I can go to arrive by. Let's go to 3:50 or 3:45 for good measure, and go done. And then it's actually going to give me multiple listings of that kind of travel that I need to make, maybe at different times depending on, maybe I want to be there a few minutes earlier than that. But that's good for now, so I can go back to it. Now once I'm back on this page here, if I click start at the very top corner, it's going to begin to walk me through the different directions in order to get to the place that I want to go. On the iPad, it is just along the very, very bottom of it. So I can tap start there, and this will go step by step exactly how I get to that location. So it's going to let me know walk towards the SkyTrain platform to Waterfront, catch a SkyTrain. I'm going to get down to Granville at 3:41. So I mean, very, very informative and definitely easy to use there.
Transit. We don't need to call translate just to, I need to go there.
Exactly, right? It makes it a little bit easier. Now, if you're kind of looking for some different overlays, so you wanted to look at the map a little bit differently, we can use the little page tab here, just in the very bottom corner. On the iPad, it is just in the very bottom right corner. It's the page that's folding over. When I tap on that, I can then So one of the nice features about it is it does have traffic. So when we look at the map, you'll see little red and green lines all over the streets. That's just letting you know which areas are congested and which areas are not. We can also change whether we want it to be standard, just a satellite view, maybe a hybrid. So I mean, however we want to view that map, we can kind of choose to do so there. So that is going to be it for the map application.
Like you said, standard is for all the red areas.
The standard is just all, yeah, so it's just like kind of a cartoonish.
The red means traffic or something?
So the red and the green and orange areas are different traffic. So obviously green meaning good flow, red meaning pretty bad congestion there.
That's cool, man.
Now we do have a few more things that I want to cover very quickly.